Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Hello my friends, it's NGWorld. Welcome back to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you hair pack formula to grow long and thicken hair naturally, and also to get soft and shiny hair naturally, guys, without any kind of chemicals or something, yet the result is amazing. So with really simple ingredients, guys, you can prepare a very simple and effective formula in order to get soft and shiny hair and to grow hair longer without any kind of harsh things that destroys the hair. You know, we can achieve this but with chemicals, and it ends up, you know, with split ends and with all the hair problems. But with natural ingredients, you will improve it without, you know, losing any kind of hair quality. In fact, it actually improves your hair. So let's get to the pack. I hope that video will help you too, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies like that. Also leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video.